Hey guys, today I created this natural glam look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification so every time I post a video you are notified. To start off, I used the Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I used this Eucerin moisturizer for my face. For primer today, I used the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And I applied that primer where I really need it, next to my nose, on my nose, and on my forehead. For foundation, I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation in the shade Natural Buff. And I just applied that all over my face, and then I blended it out with the Beauty Blender. And the key to using the Beauty Blender is making sure you wet it and it's nice and damp, and you are bouncing it on your face, not rubbing your foundation everywhere. For concealer, I used the NYX HD Primer in the shade Beige, the number 4. And I applied it under my eyes to cover my dark circles and right around my nose where it's usually really red, and on the bridge of my nose. This concealer is almost the same shade as my skin tone, but I just wanted to cover the darkness. To set my concealer and the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And before I go in with the powder, I'm just making sure I don't have any crease lines under my eyes. To bronze up my face a bit and contour a little bit, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm adding this color to the hollows of my cheeks and also my temples and my forehead. And also adding it to my jawline. For blush, I'm taking this palette from BH Cosmetics and using this nude pinky shade. These blushes are super pigmented, as you can see, so I go back and blend it out, but it's super pretty and they last a really long time. For highlight, I'm using this highlighter from Wet n Wild. I will post a shade in the description box. Then I contoured my nose with the same bronzer from earlier, the Physicians Formula bronzer. Going back to the same highlight from Wet n Wild, I went on and highlighted my nose a little bit. Eyes today, I used the Morphe palette with Kathleen Lights, and I used this beautiful caramel brown shade for my crease. And then I took this shimmery shade and put it all over my lid. I did not use any setting spray or did not wet any of my eyeshadows because this palette is pigmented. And that is all I did for my eyes today, super simple. And I also did my mascara off camera. And for lips, I used this lip liner from ColourPop and I used the shade Aquarius. This is the closest shade to my lips ever, and I love this color. And to finish off, I used this lipstick from Essence. I'm not sure of the name, I will put it down below. I'm pretty sure it's nude. And that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, or morning whenever you're watching this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!